seekers and potential holiday makers. Paul from Phuket Leisure here. Today I want to mention Phi Phi Island. I think just about everybody that comes to Phuket feels they have to go to Phi Phi Island. Why not? It's a very beautiful place, crowded, but as all popular tourist attractions are, it's still well worth going, well worth spending a little bit of money and time on. A nice day out there. If you wanted to, you can quite easily stay overnight. It's a good way to see Phi Phi and not so rushed. But a day trip is what most people do, and a speedboat out there or a big boat. A speedboat's my choice every time. Transfers from your hotel, lunch at a good restaurant, good food, snorkeling. Most of them snorkel, swim about 4 times. I visit beautiful Maya Bay, which is a must-see place, where the movie The Beach, or some of it was made there anyway. Where else is there out there? There's Monkey Beach, but beware of the monkeys. Pillay Cove, Low Samar, just some of them anyway, but you'll enjoy it. Beautiful day, and it's a must-see place when you come here. So pop in and see me, and I'll do you up a package. See you next time.